Hello friends, today we have customer with very strange type of virus. Screen freeze after few seconds. So I tried too many methods to fix the issue. So you can see how the screen freezes after like a few seconds when I try to turn on the phone. So after locking the phone, it only let you unlock the phone and then you can't touch anything. All screen area get freeze. You can only slide down notification panel, but even from the notification panel, it doesn't allow you to go to the setting. The only option which I had to restart the phone. Then virus takes some time to take over. So within few seconds, so I have to go to the setting and find that app which creating this issue. So I have to delete that app. Okay, now I have the access to the setting. I will proceed to identify and remove any potentially virus related application. Let's see. As you can see, screen freeze again. So I just restarted the phone again and try to remove any species application which causing the issue. It freeze again. Then I realized it won't allow me enough time to find that particular app. So this time I thought I should reset all phone settings. Any permission given to specific app get disabled and the phone just working normally again. Luckily, this time I had enough time to reset all phone settings before going to freeze the screen. I was expecting the problem would be resolved this time, but unfortunately, issue still not sorted. At this point, I believe it would be good to try safe move and attempt to identify and uninstall the buggy app. In safe mode, I manually Review the settings and inspect each application individually to identify any potentially suspicious or unauthorized app. I deleted those apps which are unfamiliar and could create issue inside this phone, and also checked inside the Play Store about any suspicious app, then deleted all the apps which are not installed from the history.
In my case, I discovered the app named Budgetly. However, upon checking it on the Play Store, it did not appear, so I proceeded to delete it and restarted my phone as usual. I hope you get the ideas how to remove any bug app from the phone. In my case it was Budgetly app, however it can be different in your case, so you need to check all the apps manually. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for support. Thanks.